Welcome back to the new video, and this is also one of the very important questions asked often in the examination. So let's get back to the topic. First is the variation. Okay, so variation is it literally means that change in the character. Okay, so we like if in the human only we can see lots of variation. Okay, in terms of character, some people are short, some people are long. Okay, and some people have very thick hair, some people have very less hair. So it has to be somewhere associated with the characteristics of the place also where they are situating. Okay, and why this adaptation is observed? Because we need to adapt continuously to the changing environment, otherwise we will die. Okay, so variation is okay, change in character. Okay, in short, the definition is the change in the characters. Okay, so variation it is classified in the two ways. So variation can be classified in two ways. The first is the somatic, and the second is the blastogenic. Okay, okay. Now this variation is due to the nature of the cell produced variation. Okay, nature of the cell produced. Okay, so based on the nature of the cell produced variations, they are classified into two. Okay, they are somatic variations and the blastogenic variation. Okay, so somatic variations, they are not inherited. Okay, so these are non inherited. Okay, and from the name itself indicates that it happens in the somatic cells. Okay, these variation they will stay when as long as the species is alive, but they are lost with death. Okay, and the blastogenic variation, they are caused due to the germ cells. Okay, these variation are caused due to the germ cell, and thus these are inheritable. Okay, okay. Apart from the nature of the cell produced variation, there is also a degree of difference. Okay, okay. So based on the degree of the difference produced, there are two types of variation. First is continuous, and the another one is the discontinuous. Okay, okay. So continuous are like minor changes, minor variations. Okay, whereas the discontinuous and the variations are the major ones. Okay, so the continuous variations, since they are very minor changes and they are occurring in the normal condition, so they are already present in the population. Okay, so they are already in population. And these are new variation. Okay, okay, these are also continuous variation, they are also known as fluctuations, whereas the discontinuous variation are known as mutations. Okay, these are unstable. Okay, and non-heritable. Okay, and these are the stable ones and heritable. Okay, Okay, now just quickly talk about the significance, okay, of variation. Okay, it's the raw material for evolution. Okay, so these variation, they give rise to sometimes the desirable traits also. So okay, desirable traits also produced. Okay, okay, so and the third is variation. It will form the basis of hereditary also. And the last is it helps in adaptation. Okay, so these are the key points. Before closing the video, I will just quickly go through it again. The variation is the change in the characters, and based on the, it is classified into two ways. First is the nature of the cell produced, okay, and the second is the degree of difference. Based on the nature of the cell produced, it is divided into two: somatic and the blastogenic. Somatic occur in the somatic cells, and blastogenic variation is due to the germ cells. Okay, somatics they are lost with the death only, and blastogenic also they are inheritable. But the degree of difference, there are two type of variation, that is continuous and discontinuous. The discontinuous ones are the major variations, and these are heritables also. Okay, and overall the variation, it is the raw material for the evolution. It sometimes produces the desirable traits also, like stress resistance, and it's the basis of the heredity, as well as it helps the organism for the adaptation. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching the video.